Another wonderful day out here in the woods.
Well, I'm pretty much gonna get on it a little bit and see what happens. Woohoo! Look at that!
Buddy, look. Doesn't that base look familiar?
Hey! Oh, she's right there behind me.
Another wonderful day out here in the woods having breakfast.
Like somebody that we know didn't want us to.
Okay, Miss Petty.
Just finished our breakfast that my wife made. We just kind of hung out, just chatted up, enjoyed our surroundings, and now we're gonna explore this part of the park that we haven't been in before. So if I made this into a video, which I don't know what kind of video it's gonna be, if I do, we're just out doing what we usually do. Just enjoying doing things that we like to do together. That's the simplest way I could put it. And right now we're exploring this road. At some point, if I find like a nice section to do like a quick little rally stage, that'll be the plan. Well, exploration is done on 4 wheels. I didn't go too far. I guess the rest of it's hiking. Well, yeah, we could loop around and go to the... Alright, let's do that. That road's closed. I'm assuming it's probably because it's a seasonal thing. I know some of these parks, certain roads are closed off seasonally because it goes high up and because of snow and all that stuff. This Beamer is pretty much stock motor, stock suspension, just refreshed as far as new struts and lower control arms, stuff like that. Nothing performance on this car, realistically. Tires that are on it are like winter tires that I used to put on both the Corolla wagons, and I used to just put them on the front wheel for winter. I just put all 4 of them on here now because it actually grips better, not just for off-road purposes, but also for just regular driving. I've noticed like the tires that I have on the 13-inch wheel just turning and stopping when compared to these, like this just it grips more. So even though it's not for realistically just driving on pavement, it actually works better. So yeah, I see a bunch of people camping out there right off the water. It's always awesome hanging out by the water. A serious ditch right there. Yeah, it's just so cool and scenic driving through this place. I love bridges. It's not a fancy bridge, but it's still pretty cool. That's it. Alright, and then here we go, approaching one of my favorite sections. Get on it a little bit and see what happens. transport.
Well, just hold this. You hold this. You're
Oh.
not gonna grab as much.
Oh, sorry, moms. That should be enough. We got enough fire starter here. You're gonna make a mess. Shit, I think I gotta pee.
What?
I think I gotta pee. I'm gonna pee before we leave. So unfortunately, we're at another dead-end road. There's a lake that we're trying to get to, which we didn't make it to. So we're turning back around. Yeah, like this to me is cool. Like, here we are out in the woods. I mean, this is not, you know, a 4x4. It's not necessarily an off-road vehicle. I mean, it's rally inspired because you know, technically it's stock, but it's just cool to just be out here just cruising through these, you know, roads in this beautiful scenic national forest. Like, I had a little bit of fun earlier when I hit up that nice little section. This is definitely not a section to be doing that in, but it's still fun. Woohoo, look at that. Oh wow. Luckily we didn't have to turn back because of that. Oh man, it's definitely wet through here. Yeah, just pretty much have this car doing off-road things, and it's not an off-roader. That was cool. Yeah, my wife don't have to worry. She's in an actual off-roader. This is a really excellent view of seeing everything in one. I'm looking at that guy. It's cute that he's spending time with his daughter. I'm assuming that's his daughter. You know? But at the same time, it's sad because he's turning his daughter into like an influencer. So, it's good or bad depending on your perspective. I'm just gonna see the good in it.
Oh.
Like nothing. See? 2 for O. Don't be afraid, Shotty.
I don't want to do it.
Clearly you don't want to do it.